From the early stages of development, we designed our modules around Hubble as it performed the role of a nerve center. Onboarded Cavli eSIM devices are given internet connectivity across the globe by Hubble. The device, when connected to a network, communicates to the Hubble platform with all the necessary information related to its functionality. This information can be pushed to a local endpoint by a user using the Hubble API services. Hubble onboarding is a proprietary process through which our IoT modules are introduced and integrated into the Hubble dashboard through the registration method that involves the usage of 80 commands. Once your device is registered, the user can utilize any remote terminal to communicate tasks through the dashboard. As such, managing such devices is a breeze with Cavli Hubble, making it an integral and irreplaceable part of the Cavli experience. And this is how you can build, connect, and scale with Cavli Wireless.